Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create email subscribers in Shopify. Let's get started. So when you try to scroll down from your site, you should be able to see already that you have this subscribe to our emails on your footer. Now, this is not enough. So what you can do is you can head back in here on your Shopify, then click on the apps right here, and from there, scroll down until you can see this all recommended apps. So scroll down again, click on the Shopify App Store. And then from in here, should be able to see this search bar. Click on it and then search in here for email list. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see some applications that actually enables that. So you can use this Power Pop-Up, which is a sales and pop-up that can help you grow your email list, get more conversions, boost email lead generation, and increase sales. Head over and click on this install right here. They have a free plan available, so don't worry. So it will open in here a new tab wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this. Click on install right there. And then from in there, it will install the app. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So this is what the dashboard looks like. So head over and click on this right here to edit it. So this is your first pop-up. It will be created as default. So you can edit that out, and in here you can choose the content that you have in here. So for example, you can make this up to 50% off. It can be like this, or you can also click on this add element right here in order to add some more elements. So you can make a form field, so add in here an email. And then in here, make email required. And then in here, click on done. And then once you have add this email, you can actually customize some more contents that they have right here. And for example, this countdown timer and also the shop now button. So click on this button right here. That's putting here a very captivating text. Like for example, get 50% off by subscribing. So you can say something like that. And then from in there, click on done. And then people right here will get 50% off once they have put in here their email. So you can also name this email Jin. And then once you have done that, you can also choose the design if you want. The controls as well. The schedule and triggers for here. And then you can also set display schedule. So for me, in here, I will check this every time anyone visit. And then make sure that the pop-up triggers immediately. After that, click on done. And after that, click on publish right here. And then in here, you just need to access automatic installation. What you can do is you can just head over and make sure to install this on your Shopify right here. So let's head over and then just try to integrate this to our Shopify. So let's head over to our store. Now click on this customize right here. And after this customize, click on this third icon, which is the app embed. And then from in there, you should be able to see this power pop-up. So click on this one. Then once you have done that, click on save. And then once you have saved that, you should head back in here. And then from in there, you should be able to just refresh this site right there. And then once you have refreshed it, it should be able to show you the actual contents of this power pop-up. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process right there. Alternatively, you can also copy this code and then install it on your desired page on your Shopify right there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, something like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.